Welcome back to another video. Today we are on the coast of Malibu. Behind me is 20731 Eaglepass Drive. The house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,546 square feet. The house is perched high up in the Malibu hills with an absolutely incredible ocean view. As you enter through the private gate, you first notice the massive brick layered driveway before you pull up to the modern 2-car garage door. Let's take a look inside. As we first enter the house, you immediately notice the absolutely breathtaking view of the Pacific Ocean. All right, so this is the main living room of the house. You see the giant flat screen TV and the awesome fire pit below. We also see these high ceilings that stretch throughout the entire open floor plan of the kitchen, dining room, living room area. The entire house is one single story, and this main entertainment space is perfect for having guests over, having a party, feeding a bunch of friends and family, as well as you have the deck and the ocean view. So it's perfect just for having a lot of people over. Now let's go and talk about the kitchen. The kitchen features a black and white theme with the quartz countertops, 2 sinks. Here you have your center island, a 5-burner stove, and a Bertazzoni oven as well. You have your microwave, your toaster oven, and then a large 2-door refrigerator. Overall, the kitchen is perfect for having a lot of guests over with the spacious island and the open floor plan. And now let's transition into the first bedroom. Now the house is currently not staged, and this is the first of 3 bedrooms of the house. This one actually serving as the master, as the other 2 bedrooms are on the east wing of the house. The bathroom features 2 sinks, newly remodeled countertops, and I really like this bathtub that faces directly toward the ocean. And with these views, you'll want to lay in the tub all day and never want to leave. All right, that's everything for the west wing of the house. Now we will show you the other side. Okay, down the hallway, we have a closet, some storage. Our half bath is right here on the left. Open to the kitchen, and then another storage space closet area. And let's go to the other 2 bedrooms. All right, follow me into this next bedroom. Has an awesome window facing the ocean as well. Another walk-in closet. And then if you follow me this way, we have a Jack and Jill bathroom leading to the 3rd and final bedroom of the house. All right, this is the 3rd and the final bedroom of the house with the attached Jack and Jill bathroom. As you saw, both bedrooms are pretty spacious with the high ceilings, also the window facing the ocean as you get from every room in the house. Now follow me through the laundry room and we'll make a loop around out to the back deck. Now we are out here in potentially the coolest part of the entire property, the outdoor deck. Has a long stretch of a backyard over here and this deck that wraps around the house to the other side. Entire deck shows you the awesome ocean views that you only get here in Malibu, California. gave you guys a tour of this $2.7 million home here in Malibu, California. If you guys like what you saw, please drop a like, leave a comment, and if you want to see more of these in the future, please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.